Hey, it's another rockin' day. Oh yeah, been taken care of, able to get my stuff returned. I need to go find a Mortise knob, which they don't make. You have to buy the whole kit. So off we go and get this beautiful sunrise captured. I want to talk to you about Magix Movie Edit Pro. Oh yeah, I'm having issues with it. I'm not sure what's happening. I can't edit anymore. I put a video in, I move the mouse, nothing happens. 25 seconds later, it frees up. Put another video in, I move the mouse, nothing happens. It freezes up. I put an overlay, I put a green screen thing. I do anything, it freezes up. My memory's like almost a gig left over. And once I guess, is it memory? I don't think so. Could it be the cache of the computer that I gotta free it up from Magix, that they saved the shadow files proxy somewhere? I can't find that. So I am saving up for an iMac, an M3. It could be an M4 by now. And yeah, get Final Cut Pro, move along. But before I get moving along, I'm gonna give one more software again a shot, and that is CyberLink Power Director 2022, soon to come out. And when it does come out, oh yeah, I probably won't have the issues like I have in Magix, but I am using CapCut now and then, and I am using occasionally DaVinci Resolve 18.5 point whatever. I didn't do anything different. I just, edit it. And yeah, I put in a title, and I just, can't do it anymore. So if I try to do 2 tracks on a program, it's just impossible today. And I got a very powerful machine, thanks to Lenovo, the i7 or 7i. Yeah, it does good. Maybe, again, I gotta format it all over again. And it was just recently formatted. So my only alternative now is to delete off Magix and reinstall it and see if that clears up. Oh, defrag the machine, Fish. SSDs need defragments too. I'll give you a nice, beautiful view of the sound. Oh man, I'm gravel riding. Oh, come on, Fish, pedal, you're in the first gear. Oh wow. Oh, the bike, the Bianchi, man. First gear is a lot easier than that. Oh wow, you'd never know I was in the city. Look like I'm in a observatory. And this reminds me when I was in Delray Beach, the bird sanctuary. Oh, what a beautiful spot it was. Man, you walk out and you watch the birds, and you go out into the observation center and you get to see what's in the refugee. Well, let me show you what's in this refugee. Oh man, a black and white crane. Fish, how could you ruin that moment? You had beautiful cranes flying. They're just taking off. Well, you know what happens when the camera shuts down. You can't turn it back on. It's impossible to swipe up and hit the on. Well, I'm going to get on out of here. I don't want to get chased out. But we'll take a shortcut out rather than the gravel. Oh man, what a beautiful building. Our mayor built this. Did a great job. Oh, we go this way. Head on out. Try to capture that sunrise. Sun's behind me. It's gonna be blinding you. No, the sun's in front of me. Light up what's behind me. No, the sun's behind me. It'll be blinding you. Ain't gonna blind you right now. Just hasn't been a nice day since. Oh, shh. You can hear them going. You hear the traffic more than the chirping. I'm just so happy with my DJI Osmo Action 4. Oh, what a beautiful scene! Street lamps lit, sharing a vlog, exercise, bike ride, walks and talks, and more. I love sharing the bugs, the issues, the concerns, the problems, but I don't have fixes. Fixes would mean something is broken. And that remote control GPS video I saw that said fix, was it broken? It sure was. If you're fixing it, maybe it was a hack, maybe it was a solution, but a fix. Well, I'm Fish, and I'm out of here. I did a lot of talk, a lot of schmack. I am going to say, I said it out loud. I said some, did it all. On that note, see you on many other